Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you Bong Sao from Wing Chun. Okay, so come in your I Ching Kingma position. Okay, so how you going to do Bong Sao? One, so first you come in Tan Sao and then roll your elbow. Your finger should, pointing your opponent. Okay, and then come back. Again, now Tan Sao, come in Tan Sao, now Bong Sao, and then again in Tan Sao, and then come back. Okay, so now I'm showing you the application, but one thing you need to remember in this: when you do Bong Sao, so don't keep your hand too much close to your body. It should be little forward here. Okay, so if it is too close, if Imran push me, so he can push me. Okay, if the punch comes, the punch can enter inside. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to maintain little distance so the punch cannot reach to you. Okay, now with this you need to maintain Wu Sao. Okay, so Wu Sao is your protecting hand in the center line. You need to protect your center line. So Bong Sao is here and Wu Sao is here. Okay, now come back. Now from the other hand, so this is your Bong Sao and this is your Wu Sao. Okay, now you can practice this drill like this. Now partner, one, that's it, two, three, four. So with Bong Sao you can use traditional Wing Chun switching stance, one and then two and then three. So it's one, okay, two, back, three, back, four, back, five. Okay, now again, so I'm showing you the drill. One, that's it. Now two, three, that's it. Now the punch is the other side. Okay, in this you can lob sao and then sat sao here. So when you lob sao, lob is pulling hand or grabbing hand, and then sat sao you can hit the heart to the throat. Okay, now other side, one and then lob sao and then hit. Now the punch come from other side. One, Bong Sao, lob sao and sat sao. Now again, Bong Sao, lob sao, sat sao, go. Bong Sao, lob sao, sat sao. So you can practice like this. Thank you so much for watching.